Hello guys, this is Fundamental People speaking. I will be teaching you guys how to successfully hedge the news of CAD. Okay, on here we won't be talking about correlation, we'll just be milking the pair. Okay, with this one, let's say that you want to successfully milk it with two pairs, with two trades. Okay, what is it that you gotta do? You sell USD CAD, you put a stop loss of 10 pips. Okay, on a stop loss of 10 pips you put a buy stop. Okay, again you buy USD CAD and you put a stop loss of 10 pips. On your stop loss of 10 pips you put what? A sell stop. Okay, and a stop loss. Okay, when a stop loss if the news comes out and then they go up, okay, if they go up, it means that they're gonna trigger your stop loss of sell and your buy stop, and then you make money. Okay, it's easy as that. So to put a stop loss of 7 pips, okay, you come here, you click this, you take this 840 and you minus 70. Okay, so I advise you to use 10 pips, so it means that you'll be minusing 100 from here, which will be 740. Okay, and then you take a buy. Okay, afterwards you come this side, market execution, you put what? A sell stop. Okay, on your sell stop you click price. After clicking price you put 740 here and then put your sell stop. Okay, now let's say that you wanna sell. When you sell you put a stop loss of what? 10 pips, and then it's 940. Afterwards you do what? You sell. Okay, the market is closed, so they won't allow it. Afterwards you sell. From there you put what? You put yourself a buy a buy stop. Then you come to buy stop and you put 940 and you place it. Okay, then everything will be okay. I'm quite sure that you all get the idea of what I'm talking about. Try it first on demo, and then you will see that it really works out. Peace guys.